Hi, it's Dan from Nathan Dan Travel, and today is the special day. It is not just a room tour, but it is the senior checklist room tour of the deluxe studio here at the Riviera Resort at Walt Disney World. And this checklist, as you know, was created by the members of the Disney for Seniors Facebook group. And so this checklist tour is in a sense evaluating how this deluxe studio at Disney's Riviera Resort will accommodate seniors' needs, both from a safety concern and from a convenience concern. Okay, so let's begin. Room 8886, our deluxe studio, preferred view, our senior checklist room tour. See how this stands up to the senior checklist. Now, again, where did we get this from? We have 30 items. First 15 are safety related, and the second 15 are convenience related. These came from the Disney for Senior Facebook group, where we asked over 70,000 members of the seniors, Disney for Seniors Facebook group, what they wanted, what they needed in their accommodations as seniors when they traveled to any of the 6 Disney resorts around the world, whether it's Disneyland Paris, Walt Disney World, Disneyland California, and so on. So when we asked these seniors, we then accumulated their input, and the most frequently requested items are on this list. And we grouped them between safety related and convenience related. So let's go through this one by one with our senior checklist room tour for the deluxe studio here in Disney's Riviera Resort. All right, so starting with safety. Number 1, grab bars, the toilet, bathtub, and showers. By far the single most requested item by seniors. So toilet, no grab bars. Shower, no grab bars. And over here in the bathtub, no grab bars. So that would be a no. Walk-in shower. Yes, we just saw that. Now there is a lip there, and I'll put up on the screen how many inches you need to step up with that lip that's rather tall. I'll put that on the screen for you. Next one, a true refrigerator, not a cooler. Well, this one would be a check for yes, because this looks like a small refrigerator. It has even a freezer section, a working freezer section. So to me, yes, this would be a true refrigerator. Things cold, or like medications, for example. All right, next, electrical outlets and USB and USB-C. We seniors want a lot of them for a variety of reasons. I'm just going to quickly stroll around the unit, showing you a pair of electrical outlets, pair of USBs. Again, there's another pair of electrical outlets and USB outlets. So this is not a standard features tour. I will put a link at the end of this video to our standard or traditional room tour for this very room, so you can see that. Another pair of USBs and electrical outlets there. Only the single pair here that the Hey Mickey is plugged into. So we can always unplug that. There's another pair there of electrical outlets. And the bathrooms have several. Really like the split bathroom concept. Here. There's one pair. All right, what's next? Room for 1 or 2 scooters. For sure, there's room for 1 scooter. Here, 2 scooters. No, well, yeah. 1 scooter could be placed here, and scooters come in different sizes, as we know. So one scooter rather could be placed here. Maybe a second if they're both small, but at least one. And then the second one could be placed over here in the main living area. So I'm going to check mark for that one. Next we have toilet height and bed height. Number 6, toilet height, and number 7, the height of the bed. Okay, so toilet height, The toilet height is 18.5 inches. I will also tell you that the lip here, it is 6 inches high to step up to the shower. It's a little bit on the high side, most other showers. I'll also tell you, since we're at it, that the height of the tub, it's a small tub. It height-wise, it is only 13 inches high. Now for the beds, we saw there were 3 beds. So that main bed shown here, that is tall. That is 29.5 inches high, almost 30 inches high. Then we have 2 other beds. We have the double pull-down Murphy bed here. That bed height is 25.5 inches high. And then, because again, these studios sleep 5, there's a single pull-down Murphy bed there. And that is 20.5 inches high. Okay, item number 7. Tub or shower mats or non-slip grips on the floors. Well, Disney does provide, if you call housekeeping, they will provide you with a bath mat. And we showed that in detail in our senior checklist review of the Value 1 bedroom at Animal Kingdom Lodge Jumbo House. Number 9, a nightlight. Just looking around here and no, there's no nightlight here, but we just leave a bathroom light on and it's fine. It doesn't keep us awake, so that's okay. Elevators, yes, there are elevators in Disney's Riviera Resort. All right, 10, electrical outlet near the bed for CPAP. Well, let's see. You saw earlier, regular review, there it is on this side, 2 electrical outlets along with the 2 USBs. We know there's electrical outlet on the other side of the main bed because that's where the Hey Disney is plugged into. So we'll say yes for that. And these nightstands are both sufficiently large, in my opinion, to hold a CPAP machine. Okay, what's next? Nightstands on both sides of the bed. Absolutely, let's cover that. Number 13, handheld shower heads. Let's go back to the bathroom part. And again, these are in order of the most frequently requested. So the 13th most frequently requested safety item by seniors was handheld shower heads. 1 for the bathtub, and then there's the one in the shower. So check on that. A seat in the shower stall. Absolutely. There it is. Very nice. And number 15, good lighting. Well, here's the lighting. And it's overcast day, so it's not a sunny day by any means. There's not a lot of sunlight coming in from the outside. But yes, it has very good lighting. Okay, so those were the 15 most frequently requested items inside the accommodations for seniors, by seniors, from the Disney for Seniors Facebook group. Next, we're going to go to the 15 convenience items. So number 1 on our checklist is, does the room have a microwave, a coffee maker, and a kettle to boil water? So yes, coffee maker, microwave, but no, does not have a separate kettle. Fridge and microwave at counter level. That would be a no for the microwave because it's way up there. And the refrigerator, well, it's not a counter level, but if one, say, is in a scooter, for example, in a wheelchair, yes, it's at the level and we can open it up. Number 3, toaster. Does room have toaster? There it is. Item number 4, a bathtub. Yes, we've seen that already. There it is there. Again, just over 13 inches high. It's easy to get into. Next, makeup mirror. There we go. And again, it has one of these really nice lights. I like that type. Really nice. All right. Next convenience item, brighter lights in the bathroom. I wouldn't call these brighter lights. They're the same level of brightness, I would think, as the rest of the room. Again, you make your own decision on that. Number 7, extra towels without asking. Well, it's just Nancy and I, so 2 of us, but there are 4 bath towels there. So does that mean those are extra towels? Again, we think so, but you'll have your own opinion on that. All right, next, free bottled water. There's no free bottled water here. Number 9, paper and pen. Nope, there is no paper or pen. There is, cute little, not so hidden Mickey there, but there's no paper or pen provided. Number 10, convenience item, step stool for high beds. Again, you've seen already how high this bed is, approximately 30 inches. And I can tell you that no, I have been told by a cast member that Disney's policy at Walt Disney World here in Lake Buena Vista, Florida, is not to provide for guests upon request step stools for sort of guests to be able to climb up into taller beds. And it is a safety reason. Same reason that I am not a fan of step stools either. However, you can, according to Disney policy as verbally told me by a cast member, of course you can bring your own step stool with you, or you can have one delivered, say from Amazon, for example, .com. But they do not provide for guests step stool for high beds. Number 11, convenience item, at least 2 chairs and comfortable chairs. Well, there's 2 chairs there. And I can tell you, since we got done a little bit a while ago, Nancy still had a bit of work to do, I actually took a nap on the couch. So, pretty comfortable if I can do that. A table. We just saw that. There's the table number 12. Number 13, I did confirm to cast member just a short while ago that yes, the Riviera is a no pet policy resort, except for service dog animals. Number 14, almost done. Number 14, requested a touch lamp by the bed. Well, when I think of touch lamp, and my eldest daughter, I did buy her a touch lamp because she has cerebral palsy, so much easier for her to be able to use a touch lamp better than a traditional on or off switch. But here, I would consider this a touch lamp. And it's the same on the other side. So, well done, Disney. I like that. And actually, it saves space since there's no table lamp on either nightstand. The lamp is up top there. But the switch, as you saw, is at the bed level. So that's really nice. And then number 15, on-site breakfast, whether free or not. And yes, as we know, Disney Deluxe Resort, this is a Disney Deluxe Resort here at Walt Disney World. Disney Riviera Resort does have several restaurants on site. Well, there you have it. 15 safety items, 15 convenience items requested the most by seniors, members of the Disney for Seniors Facebook group. Now, over 80,000, that's 80, over 80,000 members in less than a full year. So, Disney, appreciate you starting to listen to what your seniors want, and Disney love to collaborate with you and help provide guidance, our group would, on what seniors want in their accommodations at any of your Disney resorts. Now, as promised, here is the link to our traditional room tour of this Disney Riviera Resort Deluxe Studio here at Walt Disney World. So you can see all the amenities that the room has, as well as here's another video from our Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney for older adults and seniors. Thanks very much for watching.